Wagwan bad people, welcome back to a brand new update. In this one, we have one ski master, a This Up True ambassador, and Deno Crazy. Plus we also have Alkaline and Masicka, two separate topics. So man, if you're new to over here, remember leave a subscribe and leave a like. Big up on yourself and make you jump right into it.
Where we are born? Where say we are born? Our. Broke life.
Yeah.
Our.
Broke life.
Broke skull.
Broke skull.
Broke girl. Bone broke knee. Bone brokenness! After we now walk list. Sharper than a blood clot cutlass.
So Masicka made this post on his IG, as you can see, Masicka and Russian link up. And, them drop a song on the storybook rhythm, Sex. And if you want to read the caption, Masicka music, hashtag Hitman, hashtag keep up. Masicka, I tell the haters them to keep up. And we don't know, say, Masicka songs them always a hit. No joke. Yeah, man. And if you want to views, 7.6 million views. Viewers and subscribers, we don't know, say, your Masicka song them always a hit. You see me? In the comments, you also have the Ground Godzilla musical massacre. That's a Masicka. Masicka also respond, hashtag Ground Godzilla, my general. And as you can also see, real eye octane with some flame emoji. Greatness. Viewers and subs. Masicka been a do it from day one. No joke. So I'm not surprised when Masicka a drop hit after hit after hit. No joke. Masicka been a do it. You see me? Yeah man, big up to Masicka. And the work him been a put in a dance hall. No joke. We can't go around that.
Alright. See both them here at their natural habitat. Just drop off one. Watch out now. And next tow truck bringing in one. And granted, these are buses that they're using actively right now. Check out this one. One more, right? How much that? 3 so far. 4. 5, right? Alright. That 5, at the dealership. 6, 7. Right? That's a 7. Right? And this is just one dealership in a Tampa. So Futa, talk to them. Tell them so them bus are reliable. Talk to them. Tell them so them bus are reliable. And feel like they're reliable? No.
Now we have one ski master went on an interview, the fix, and a this true ambassador, and also Deno Crazy. Yeah man, ski master are called the G them puppets. Viewers and subs. Pre-wag one.
From them this, we are shot them. Them style themselves, bro. Them style themselves, them style me.
That's crazy, man.
I said chop and chop in it, but no way I said, then last I miss up. The style we put them at that, them pick up. I tell you, it's a TikTok of them. The man with the evil.
That's our intro for one song.
Yeah, I swear that's all like I'm about to laugh. I can't do it. I laugh the sound even before.
Yeah, man.
So, Dak. Judge. You and Deno good, Dak?
Yeah, puppet dog. Straight, bro. Yeah, puppet, bro.
I thought you guys were friends.
Nah, you guys are friends.
Deno, then the cool either, dog. Yeah, puppet, bro.
My puppet?
Wait, what are them? One. Yeah, bro. Yo, as I said, we're not cheating to mix. We're not cheating to mix up in the dog. As I said
I
that.
don't mix up that. We see the man in my par, or like to the par. So I wonder like them good.
Yeah, I mean, if your feel said them, the middle of them good. Ask them when they say
You and them,
good.
bro. You
Me
and
and
them.
me,
Yeah,
alright.
because
you
up
know
to
about
last
them.
year for real.
Yeah, we saw them at Bomba, something there.
BRT.
Yeah.
That's the last year, man.
Judge.
You see, them, they, like, see what I said last year. Them
Last
stuck
year.
in the
Last
last
year.
year. Me, they hate me, gone, father. Yeah, so this one there right now. Them good, man.
Yeah. You're not a puppet, so.
No, I'm not take program, my friends. So I just have to just deal it when me have to deal it. And you see me?
For the audience out there, my ask, what happened?
What happened?
What
What if
happened?
you want to know what happened when you see them? Them love hyping and them love internet and them someday. You see them and ask them, friend. You see me? Them love attention. So you ask them.
What kind of program? Like,
Fix things. The fix program.
Well, if them move forward, okay.
watch our program,
No,
yeah.
them need it. They're weak right now. Them need it. So they're forward. You know? Yeah, they need the promotion too. So remember when I did every promote for them again. So they need promotion. So
Damn.
help them. Help them.
At that time, they ask if you work with them.
Help them, man.
Help them.
I need it.
Nigga.
So yeah.
Alright. Since you know one thing,
Yeah. Alright.
So I don't know say yo Schemas and Jahvi them and Deno used to link. You see me? They used to do stage show together, them used to. You see me? They used to pour. But them fall out as you can hear in the interview. You see me? Schemas not really want to talk on what happened. But yeah man, them a diss them up. You see me? I call them puppets. I say yo them love the hype, them love the media. So a bit things are going. And one thing I realize in a dancehall is that today you see two artists apart and then tomorrow them fall out. You see some crew apart and then they fall out. You see me? So dancehall, to be honest, I don't really see no loyalty in a dancehall. You see me? I don't see no loyalty. But yeah man, Schemas talk about things, viewers and subscribers. If you don't want to hear the full interview, just go over on YouTube and type in The Fix. Yeah man, the full interview, they over there so.
And that's why me dwell in high darkness. Nothing don't hire down me. Try for war me. Run a time tire army. Knees up off for the weed. It never did that.
So Alkaline drop, key man, viewers and subscribers, enough artists get this. I'm not even gonna call no name. You see if you don't listen to the song, you not gonna hear and you not gonna know. You see me? Yeah man, enough man get this brawling.
Use my name to get a viral, it kinda canny. Come round for the ride, love me know a partner.
Use my name to get a viral, that kinda corny. So that the part they go for the people them will be not say yo Alkaline cannot find a hit song to save him life. Viewers and subscribers, when you think about the song because me I tell you say enough man get this, enough man been a call Alkaline name and I say the G can't find a hit song. So when you think about this now, you see me? Yeah man, the G as if use him name to get a viral. You see me? If you get a viral song, if you get a viral video, that kinda corny. Viewers and subscribers, yo, the song tough, no joke. Yeah man, the Vendetta boss went hard in the song. And like I said before, enough man get it. You see me? Enough artists, enough you get it. Brawling.